Hello, my name is David Chapa, and here's my event description. The Chernobyl disaster occurred during a safety test at one of the plant's reactors, which went horribly wrong, causing a massive explosion and fire. This initial response was low, and a lack of transparency and effective communication exacerbated the disaster impact. Radiation spread through Europe, affecting millions of people and causing long-term damage to the environment. Three important aspects. Let's analyze three crucial aspects for the Chernobyl disaster and its consequences. Lack of safety measures. The Chernobyl nuclear plant had a flawed design and lacked adequate safety measures, which increased the risk of accident. Consequences. The lack of effective safety measures directly contributed to the disaster and exacerbated its consequences. Delay response. The initial response to the disaster was low, allowing the radioactive material to disperse further. Consequence. The delay response increased radiation exposure to people and the environment, resulting in devastating consequences for health and the ecosystem. Delay, secrecy, and lack of transparency. The Soviet Union attempted to cover up disaster, hampering evacuation and response efforts. Consequence. The lack of transparency and effective communication led to an inadequate response and increased risk to the local population. Alternative approaches. If I had the opportunity to change the course of events, I would implement the following measures. Implement robust safety measures. Ensure the nuclear plant is safety designed and meets international safety standards. This includes implementing adequate emergency cooling and containment systems. Establish a rapid response plan. Develop and implement a rapid and effective response plans to minimize the impact of the disaster in the environment of an accident. This includes immediate evacuation of the area and containment of radioactive materials. Promote transparency and open communication. Promote transparency and open communication to ensure that information is shared in a timely and effective manner. This includes clear and accurate communication with the local population and response teams. A better world. By implementing these alternative approaches, we can create a safer and more sustainable world. Robust safety measures can prevent similar disasters, while rapid response plans can minimize the impact of accidents. Transparency and open communication can save lives and reduce the long-term consequences of disaster. For future generations, I wish for a world where safety, transparency, and accountability are the norm, and the risks associated with industrial activities are minimized. Conclusion. The Chernobyl disaster was a tragic reminder of the importance of safety, transparency, and accountability in industry activities. By learning from past mistakes and adopting safer and more sustainable approaches, we can create a safer and more prosperous future for all. Thank you.